The East Agartala Police have successfully detained the auto-rickshaw driver accused of assaulting senior photojournalist Bijay Debnath at a fuel station. The swift police action follows widespread outrage and intense pressure from the state's media fraternity. The incident took place on Friday morning at the Radhanagar petrol pump, leaving the senior photojournalist severely injured and hospitalized. The unprovoked attack on a working journalist sparked severe condemnation from major media bodies, including the Agartala Press Club President Pranab Sarkar, Tripura Electric Media Society Secretary Surjit Paul. Reported by Khorang, Chini, Khorang.